to achieve a quick high sheen and go from this to this on an Odies finished piece in 2 simple steps. Let's get into it. Good day folks, how's everyone doing? It's Matthew here. Check out these beautiful cherry boards. These were originally finished, probably around 4 years ago. Sanded up to 180, ultrafine gray pad for application, and a couple coats of Odies dark was the finish. As you can see, they have a very nice sheen and consistent with each other as they were prepared and finished the same way. We're going to do a trick today. We're going to take this 4000 grit pad and burnish this board up using a rotary sander on high speed and apply another coat of Odies dark, and you're going to see the difference. This is a little trick, a little cheat, if you will, into stepping up that sheen and adding some depth of color as well. So we're just giving the piece a quick burnish around all the edges and the surface and applying another coat of oil. I'm just putting it on and buffing it right off just for the sake of the video. And here are the results. Check out that sheen and how deep and rich the color has changed as well. When you burnish the piece up very high, it presents a different color in the wood, beautiful chatoyance, gorgeous sheen. So this is just another way that you can be in control of the outcome of your piece with Odies. There's no limitations, no restrictions, just amazing.